Hey, what's up creators? This is Ali, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to work with your timeline and make it more organized. So the first thing I want to show you here, let's say for example, you have a project that you're working on and it consists of a bunch of images or elements that you'd like to manage. The standard way that everybody does is go here inside your timeline and scroll, through your elements and, work with them the way you want to. Now, the better way to do so is to come here at the top of your timeline, hover over until you see a double-sided arrow, hold left click of your mouse and drag to the top of the screen. And that basically gives you a full screen mode of your timeline to easily see the entire elements that you built up so far. So once you're done with that, what you can do here is come to the top of the timeline again and bring it or drag it down to where it was, and then continue to work on your canvas or continue to work on your project the way you want to. Now, the other thing I want to talk about here is, let's say, for example, you have this layer on the top here, and then you want to bring it, to the bottom of your layer. So what you can do here is click on that layer, and hold left click, and then use your, scroll button on your mouse and scroll down until you can, bring it to the bottom. And that's basically, and then, I could put it in here, bring this one to the top, and then, replace this one and put it, back where it should be. So I'm going to go ahead, bring it back to the top of the layers as it was before, and just showing you how easy it is, to drag your layers from one position to another just by holding left click of your mouse, using the scroll button to scroll, within your timeline to place your layer the way you want to. Now, the other thing I want to show you here, to keep your workflow organized, is to group your scenes. So for this example, I have a short video consists of 2 scenes, right? So the first scene here is, it consists of 4 layers. So what I can do here is I can select all 4 layers, and then I'm gonna right click on that and then click group. And I'm gonna right click again to give this a name and call this scene 1. And I'm also going to do the same thing with scene number 2, same thing. So I'm going to select all the layers, right click, and then group. And then the second step is to right click again, rename, and then give this a name of scene 2 and hit enter. Now notice here, once you're done, there are so much space in between both groups. So what you can do here is right click and then click on remove excessive tracks, and that basically removes all the excessive tracks, so you can easily continue to build up your video and keep your workflow clean in the timeline. So you can move on here, and then you can start building your third scene, so on and so forth. So that's basically what it is working with your timeline. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.